This is a teaching tool that I created to visually represent different word families. We have the at family, the un, ig, et, and an family, and what the child can do is pick up one of the word families. The family itself is in a different color, and then the letter that is able to change is in a separate color so they can visually see the differences. So we have a sun, and if you look at the back, you can see each of the letters that correspond with that family. So it helps with rhyming, and it helps with identification of different word families. The child can rotate it to see the different families, and then they can work on standing it out so they know un, and they can put it together to say pun, and they can rotate through each of these. And it works the same way for each of the other word families. So here's the ig family that the child can rotate. And it works through this way, which is a really good tactile way for the child to be able to see the different families and rotate through, and it helps with rhyming as well as that. And these are exclusive to 3-letter word families, but you can maybe challenge the child to say, can you come up with a 4-letter word, or can you come up with a word that fits in this family that isn't on this sheet? And I only came up with 5 of them, but you can come up with many more, obviously, based on that. And so I just thought it was a really good way for the child to be able to see and hold the word family, and then they themselves could rotate through to say the word and say the word family. Rather than just coming up with something that would be relatively abstract, this is very visual, very hands-on, and allows them to see and understand the word families and how that works.